This can help you in so many realms, not just, professionally, but also personally.
Most of the time, perception is a reality, so you have to be aware of how people are perceiving you. We just thought that it would be fun to collaborate and to create 4-6 hours in a format where we could assist organizations, small and large corporations, to define what their brand was and help also their employees to own their personal brand and to see how this personal brand can support the organizational brand as well.
Today really gave me more clarity into establishing what our mission statement is going to be based on our client feedback that we received and our employee feedback that we received today, and also just our overall brand.
It was really informative, and I'm just excited to be able to incorporate all that into my job here at Solomon Productions and just continue to better this company as I better myself by building my personal brand.
I learned a lot through their branding seminar. It helped me grow as an individual, really understand the traits that I portray and as well as the people around me.
They really love doing the internal digging and really understanding how they see themselves and how they come across to other people. And that's important so that they can live authentically, and the more authentic they can be in their personal brand, the better able they will be to deliver the company brand. And they start to have a realization that their personal brand can actually help them achieve things.
Diane and Belinda were both wonderful and dynamic and very knowledgeable in what they were speaking about, which definitely eased the tension, I think, when it came to opening up, and also prompted us to think outside the box. It was great.
I really hope the workshop today is a good starting point for more team collaboration as we move forward into Solomon Productions and continue to grow as a company and as individuals working together.